1985 Toyota Corolla AE86 GTS twin cam 16 valve. What we got done on it is he bought a custom built system out of Japan. What was the name of the system?
It's HKS.
HKS system. So it's still got the original converter since 1985, which is awesome. And it passes with flying colors. There's the header there. Then it's got a resonator on it. And that's the muffler. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. There's the aftermarket stuff from back in the day. Somebody had put on. But he's been restoring it. It's been his baby for a long time. So he's building it. It's really, really clean. You don't find them like this anymore. There it is. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Go ahead. That's not too much. It's just perfect. This is the car that started all the drifting. Again. Here's sound decibels. AE86. Go ahead and back it up. Toyota Corolla GTS. Good luck finding another one. They're very rare. They're just going up in value. That's awesome. It's been his baby. How long you had it? Since 2012. Look at this thing. It's mint, man. It's really, really clean. Let you guys hear on that back, outside. I'm going. Go ahead. Again. Tell us what you guys think. I love it. Toyota Corolla. And it's a manual too. You never know what you're gonna get.